Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that helps you see. All right, but before we jump into that, this is an opportunity for those of you that have not subscribed to the channel. You can click the button down here that says subscribe. Then you click it again, a little bell will pop up. You click the all for notifications, and that way you get notified whenever I post a video, and only when I post a video. All right? And if everybody could, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And then make a comment down below. It doesn't have to be a big, long comment. It can be as simple as, oh, great information, thank you. Something simple like that. All right? Now, so what's going to help you see better? Well, I'm not talking about the glasses. I'm not talking about your scope. I'm talking about something you use to clean the lenses with. All right. Get some good quality lens cleaners to use on your reading glasses, your camera lenses, your scopes for your rifles, whatever it is you need, binoculars. Keep the lenses clean so you can see good. All right? Plain, simple, easy as that. Because I don't know if anybody doesn't have any sort of magnifying glasses, lenses too. Keep those clean. So I don't know if anybody doesn't have something that they look through to see something a little bit better, and it works so much better when it's clean. All right? So before I take off, and put the link to my other channel, Camp Pat Down the Compound up here. Put a couple playlists here for you to share with your friends, relatives, neighbors so that they can get prepared so they don't come after your stuff and you wind up like this.